In the last 70 years, plastic production has surged with over 450 million tons. India produces 9.3 million tons of plastic. BPCL is moving towards a circular economy by using eco-friendly and recyclable packaging, presenting our stride towards innovation in sustainable packaging. Recycled plastic bottles, produced using post-consumer recycled resin, incorporating 30% recycled plastic in advance of the Government of India's mandatory directive from April 2025. Bamboo pulp bottles, creating bottles that combine bamboo pulp and natural white color plastic resin. Tin cans, known for their recyclability and lower environmental impact, contributing to a reduction in plastic waste, marching successfully towards a greener future.